In today's video, I show you how to dial a contact directly in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Teams tips. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're on the home page. On the left-hand panel, you will see all your main options. Think of it as your control center. Click on the chat icon, the little speech bubble, to access your conversations. If you've already messaged the person, just click their name in the chat list. If not, use the search bar at the top, type their name and select the correct contact. With the chat open, look to the upper right hand corner. You'll see a telephone icon, click it and Teams will start dialing immediately. That's it, you're now connected and ready for a real-time conversation. Quick tips: make sure your microphone and speakers are working and that you have a stable internet connection to ensure clear audio quality. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you can move from messaging to calling seamlessly in Microsoft Teams. Like, share and subscribe for more simple guides to get the most out of Teams.